Hello, I'm Baijia. I'm from Wuhan, China. After seeing the topic, my relationship with nature, I think I have a lot of stories to share because I like traveling very much. To many places of great natural beauty, such as Singapore, New Zealand, and Miami. I even took a driver to Lake Tahoe with my friends. I felt that walking in those scenery had given me a great feeling. In the course of my journey, the most touching things for me is wildlife. I went paragliding in New Zealand, and I feel like I well a bird in the sky at that moment. In the process of landing, I saw a bird flying with me in the distance, and it made me feel free, and it made me forget the fear of high altitude. When I was in Florida, I went to the Everglades National Park, where I met wild cocoa bells and raccoons. Uh, they were very peaceful, probably because they were a lot of human coming here. Luckily, I didn't become the crocus ration. I went to the wildlife park in Singapore and felt the monkeys with my own hands. They were not afraid of people. This experience have made me love these nature creations very much. Therefore, I hope I can design works for their benefit. Mm,
这么大一只，
I live in South Bay now, and there are many cute animals around the house, such as squirrels.
因为他们有读过预科，他直接进的理科，那这个成绩算是不错，只是丙等，惭愧。
丙等很不错，你底子好又肯生活，学业对你来说不是问题，遵守校规是你的问题。
我现在真的是有点无语。
I think I will be inspired by the animals around me. For example, there are many automatical feeders for street animals recently. Sometimes I also think of how to help animals can live peaceful with people. I like to observe the living habits of animals and to design products that allowed humans and animals to live together. Mm, this time is story. This time the story sharing is over. Thank you for watching.